Do you know many people are having trouble with Angelcare AC401's flashing H signal? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Charge monitor batteries. To begin, make sure the monitor batteries are fully charged for 15 hours before the first usage. This helps to maintain maximum battery life. Step 2. Turn OFF when idle. When the monitor is not in use, always turn it OFF to prevent battery performance issues and prolonged lifespan. Step 3. Reposition units. If you lose connection, position the parent unit and nursery unit closer together and ensure they are both turned ON. Step 4. Reconnect units. Still no connection? Time to reconnect first. Turn OFF both units. Then turn on the parent unit and press and hold the MENU button. Finally, turn on the nursery unit and press and hold the top button to reconnect. Step 5. Check cord connection. Unplug and reconnect the cord between the sensor pad and the nursery unit to ensure a solid connection. Step 6. Position sensor pad. Ensure that there's no bedding between the mattress and the sensor pad. Place the sensor pad according to the recommended setup requirements. By following these steps, you should be able to stop the H flashing and use your Angelcare AC401 baby monitor efficiently. Happy monitoring? Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Angelcare users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.